Hi guys, I just wanted to show you the program that I put together on Alan's request for the routes and the map so Chris can use it. This is just the first attempt at it. Give me your feedback and see where we can go from there. But anyway, if you go into logistics modules here, you'll see a route map here. Click on that, and if you don't have security, either give yourself security, ask them router, or I'll do it. Doesn't matter. When it loads, it'll load a circle around Ben Salem and nothing else. These are your criteria. So basically, I'm going to come in here and ask for Delaware, and I'm going to reload. So when I reload, it's going to reload this map with Delaware as the epicenter of this circle, and it's going to dot all the customers. The only other criteria is that they're active customers, so they're TCS, they have to be active, and also, and this is the limit, so they had to have made at least one purchase in the last 6 months, which is 25th. Oh yeah, it just turned over, just over midnight. I was working with 24, so it kind of screwed me up. But anyway, so it has to they have to purchase since 7/25. You can change this and you can bring it back to last month. They have purchased at least in the last month, in the last 2 months, whatever date you pick. By default, it's 6 months. So if you don't do that, it'll just be dots all over the screen. So anyway, right now what we're looking at is people that are in Delaware, customers that have purchased at least one purchase since 7/25. Now, what are these legends? The legends for the markers are if the last 6 months they have purchased less than $200, less than $500, less than 1,000, or less than greater than 1,000. This can be changed to whatever you want. So for example, this green guy here, like if you hover over them, it'll tell you who they are. So if you want to click on it, if you click on it, it'll tell you the customer's name, their address, and last month how much they purchased, last 3 months how much they purchased, and last 6 months how much they purchased. Current route is Maryland route, and which is here. It should be somewhere around here. Yep. And we don't filter by that. And this is a new route that you want to assign it to. This will make it easier for you to reroute them somewhere else. That part is not working. I just put that on the display. So by changing it, it doesn't do anything. So if you change this to Reading, it's not going to do any. There's no program behind that. It's just a drop down. So basically, you can zoom in by whatever you want, and you can you can zoom into the neighborhoods or whatever you like. Now if you want to shrink it down even more, for example in Delaware, I can say show me only Jersey run, and I reload. Now it's going to go to the location, so the customer has to be a Delaware customer and their route has to be a Jersey route. You gotta wait for it. You see where it says waiting, you have to wait for it. I didn't put the spinning part over there yet, but once this is done, you can see over here it says waiting for SQL. So these are the only customers, and there's only 14 matched. So if you zoom in, these are the only 14 customers that are Jersey customers, Delaware customers that are on Jersey route, and this is the amount of money that they've been spending with us in the last 6 months. That's the green, orange, red, or blue. I can change this to whatever criteria you want. So you can we can color code them by different ranges basically. So I just picked 200, 500,000, and everything else just out of the blue. Again, if you click on it, it will give you the name. Last month they have spent zero, and last month, this means literally last 30 days, from December 25th till today. They have spent $0. Last 3 months they've spent $395, and the last 6 months they've spent $655. And their route is obviously Jersey because we limited it only to Jersey. So if we increase this, say, okay, everybody that bought something since January 1st of last year, and reload, So it's still Delaware customers, still Jersey route, but we increase our timeline to go back to January 1st. But these still going to be on 6 months purchases. The color coding. So it's still saying waiting. So now obviously you see you have more sorry. You have more customers in the system, and this is still the same way. And tomorrow I'll work on getting this route changed, so you can change it right from here. You don't have to go to TCS. So anyway, think about it and give me your feedback. And don't wake me up too early. All right, bye.